It's a pretty seamless system. It's not too bad.
Oh, I'm so glad. At Sandoz, you had to have a receipt for everything. And that wasn't the policy at Novartis, but about 5 years ago, the person who was heading up Sandoz, he was from Italy, and he loved espresso, and so he bought like a $5,000 espresso machine for the office, and he came under such scrutiny for doing that they had to change the policy for everyone.
Thank you very much.
And it was a nightmare.
I have a quick question. I work in the area here, and I was wondering what time you all are going to the airport, and can I bring you?
Oh.
Yeah. We
There's 2 different probably trips at
Yeah.
least. Bob, what time are you going?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave.
So you could pick which one works, or I don't know if both would work, because you're only an hour ahead of us.
What time my flight is.
Or
My,
I have cards.
Yeah, we'll take your card.
Okay.
my flight's at 2:56.
Okay.
So leave like at
2:56.
one.
So, will you want to be there an hour early?
yeah.
Yeah. So like 1:30, because it should only take about 30 minutes. Actually, like
Okay.
25 minutes. But if
Why
there's
don't-
some traffic, maybe 30 to 40.
Yeah. Why don't I do 1?
1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, I'll give you a card as well.
Okay.
And then
Yeah, we're probably leaving around 2-ish, so I don't know if it would work to
do both.
get both.
probably just one of them
Yeah.
might
Well,
be the
we'll
best.
coordinate with him. If he calls you and gets you scheduled, then
Okay.
we'll
All right.
work
Great.
that way.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yes.
Okay. Oh well. Come on, give me something here. Give me something. FaceTime Matt Newsom.
Making a FaceTime call to Matt Newsom.
Transfer.
Yo.
Yo. Yeah.
Nothing new. Hey, I'm changing up my attacks. I need hogs.
Hogs.
Yeah.
I don't think I have Matt's hogs.
What do you have?
Level 6.
Oh, really? Upgrade your hogs, son.
I'm doing my, finishing up, doing Dark Elixir stuff, so maybe, honestly,
Nah, whatever. If you don't have them, you don't have them.
I just have so much Dark Elixir. I have 18 hours until, I forget what I'm even upgrading right now on my bowlers. But I'll do my hogs next. I just never use them.
Yeah, and I'm using the siege barracks now.
The Siege Billets, yeah, I got one of those. It's only level 1, though.
Yeah, but upgrade. It's a max. It'll go to max 3.
No, because it's level 4.
Oh, is it 4?